Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this two math question. Try to solve by your own, and if you want to feature in our shortcut list, then recommend your answer. I will make sure that you will be listed here. So first we will solve stepwise and with the help of PEMDAS. Okay. So everyone will be understand. First, as we know, first operation will be parenthesis. So first here we have to solve this part, this parenthesis part. So we will write question again, 4 minus 4 divided 4, that is 1 into 4. Now after parenthesis we have to do the multiplication here, this multiplication operation. So here 4 minus 4 times 1, that is 4, and here 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. Coming to the next question, 100 divided by parenthesis 20 divided by 5 divided by 1. Here we can see division, all operations are divisions, but here parentheses are there. So try to solve by your own. As you know, I will solve with the PEMDAS. First we will do for this inner part of the parenthesis. So when we divide 5 divided by 1, that is 5. So we will write our answer as 100 divided by parenthesis 20 divided by 5. Now we have to do for this 20 divided by 5, which will be 4. So here our question will be again 100 divided by 4, and when we divide 100 with 4 we will get 25 as the answer. So here 25 is the right answer, and try to watch these videos. These are brainstorming. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.